this is Gina in a natural space in her brand new hangar. Look at the space. Holy smokes. She's as happy as a cucumber right now in a cucumber salad. Look at that. Her brand new plane is just on the back of a truck. It's currently disassembled. This is going to be great.
Oh, okay.
So that's Gina's plane on the back of a truck. Check it out. We're chasing the truck right now. Wait for me! Don't go! Come back! So according to Gina, a new revelation has happened. The tires are apparently flat. I said, really? Are you sure about that? I didn't notice. Interesting thing about those who don't know anything about aircraft, the type of material that this is made of. It's kind of like a squishy, sort of canvasy material. What kind of weight would this aircraft be?
So total maximum weight would be around about 850.
So just the aircraft alone, excluding pilots, with fuel, 850 kilos.
That's 850 kilos.
So that's
empty weight's about 597.
So that's basically 3 of my motorbikes. Wow.